a century after it was stolen from a Jewish woman by the Nazis, the fate of this painting, worth tens of millions, has been sealed. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruling the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum in Madrid does not have to return the painting to its original owner's family.
I was stunned. I was very hurt, and I was hurt on behalf of my parents and my family and my late sister.
Lily Cassirer's family says she surrendered the painting Camille Pissarro's 1897 Rue Saint-Honoré in the afternoon effect of rain to the Nazis to get a visa so she could flee Berlin in 1939, just months before the invasion of Poland. But the $360 they forced her to sell it for never came. The painting passed through several owners before a foundation tied to the Kingdom of Spain purchased it in 1993 as part of a collection from Baron Hans Heinrich Thyssen-Bornemisza worth $2 billion.
Spain was buying the entire collection, or most of it, of the Thyssen-Steele family, not just the barons.
Lily's grandson, Claude Cassirer, sued Spain in 2005 to get it back, his son David taking up the legal battle after his father's death in 2010. The case hinges on this photo, what the Cassirer team says is the smoking gun. It shows Cassirer's old apartment with the painting hanging above her sofa.
Most people don't have photographs of the painting hanging over the sofa, because they were sent to death camps.
Experts also found this sanded-off sticker on the back of the frame, the stamp of a gallery belonging to the Cassirer family in Berlin. Under Spanish law, if the museum had known the art was stolen by the Nazis at the time of purchase, they would have to return it. But they say they couldn't have known.
Fritz Thyssen, the Baron's uncle, financed Hitler's rise to power. The Baron's father is pictured there with Hermann Goering. The very idea that they didn't know is nonsense.
The two sides have disputed whether U.S. law or Spanish law applies in the case. But on Tuesday, a three-judge panel ruled again that Spanish law supersedes California law, allowing the Thyssen-Bornemisza to keep the peace. The museum's director, Evilio Acevedo, saying the decision does justice. There is no anti-Semitic sentiment at all, he says. Absolutely none.
What the Spanish government's policy here has really done is it's turned Spain into a haven for looted art.
The Nazis stole an estimated 600,000 works of art during their conquest of Europe.
She was taken off the walls of our home by the Nazis.
The story of one of them, Gustav Klimt's portrait of Adela Bloch-Bauer I, and the fight to return it to its owner's family, portrayed in the 2015 movie Woman in Gold.
People see a masterpiece by one of Austria's finest artists, but I see a picture of my aunt.
Art suspected to have been looted by the Nazis is scattered in museums around the world. The Louvre alone says it has roughly 1,700, and the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York says it's returned dozens of stolen works to their rightful owners. But for the Cassirer family, the fight goes on for a great-grandmother's masterpiece.
We're going to file a petition for rehearing and rehearing en banc, which means we're asking the panel to review some of the legal errors we believe occurred.
What would this mean for you and your family to get this painting back?
I'm almost 70, and I haven't got that much time left. So I have instructions from my father to set up a Cassirer Family Foundation, a new foundation. I would like to have a legacy where I'm helping others. This painting needs to be sold for that purpose.
Dana Griffin, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.